Make a great choice today with the 2024 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, wheel covers, front wheel drive, remote trunk release. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.